YouTube, have a problem here. So 162,000 mile 2006 Honda Civic SI. Wheels looking a little rough. Anyway, bought it not running. So here, check it out. So put the key in. You can clearly hear the fuel pump come on, and the immobilizer, the key light goes off. Just sit here and cranks and cranks and cranks. Doesn't do nada. So checked all the fuses under the dash here. Checked all those. Put the security light in, so had to take the battery out and charge the battery. I don't know, it looks like somebody took the muffler off of it. So I don't know if it needs the muffler to run or not. Could be a problem here maybe, but I don't think it is. Anyway, cranks and cranks and cranks. Does not start. The weird thing is, tell me this isn't weird, so newer battery. When I first put a jump on it, it wouldn't do anything. And I tapped the computer right there, I'm assuming that's the ECU. Would not do anything. So, yeah. There's a weird wire down here. Let me see if I can get a video of that down there. Oh, if I drop my phone, I'm screwed. Let's see here. Let's turn the light on. I don't know if you can see that wire down there. See that wire right there? Looks like somebody did a homebrew job there. I need to pull a plug and see if we're getting fire. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Any ideas can help. Problem is I'm at work, don't have any tools here. Probably bring some tools tomorrow. But my dad's supposed to come up and check it out. Had to do the old flip-flop on the negative side there because connection was loose. But I don't know. Never seen nothing like that before. I'm guessing somebody had a some kind of system or something in here, but man, I don't think it needs an engine. I bought it needing an engine, and I just don't think that's what it is. Here, I'm gonna crank it again, see if you can get it better. Okay, so let me know. Thanks. Comment below. Like and subscribe if you like this video.